Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your network connection on your S24 device. This is very useful if you're having instabilities in your Wi-Fi connection. So first thing you want to do is to tap settings and then scroll down until you find the option general management and then tap it. And now scroll down again until you find the reset section here. I'm gonna tap it, and if you scroll down again and then make sure you tap here where it says reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this is going to reset your Bluetooth as well, so you're going to have to pair your devices again, and then be aware that when you tap here, your connection to the Wi-Fi is going to have to be configured again. So I'm going to tap it, and now as you can see, I lost connection to the Wi-Fi. Now all I have to do is to configure it back again. So that's it for this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.